PHP is a powerful, free, open-source web scripting and programming language. It's widely used in the web development industry as a result of its speed, stability, and cross-platform compatibility. This means that PHP can run on a Linux production server, a Windows development server, and on a Mac testing server. For the purpose of these lessons, you'll need the WAMP or MAMP testing server installed on your system. If you're taking this course as part of the Web Development Masterclass, you might recall that we did this early in the course. In the next lesson, we'll talk more about making the necessary preparations for hosting your PHP scripts. It's important to note that PHP processes scripts on the web server. This is unlike JavaScript, HTML, or CSS that process scripts on the client side or a web browser. Let's take a look at how PHP works through an illustration. Say, for example, we were visiting a web page from our home computer that contained some PHP code. Our request travels through the web to the web server hosting the website and all of its files. In order to process our request, the web server requires various components to execute the PHP script. First, the web server would need Apache installed to intercept the request and retrieve the PHP file from our web server. Apache would then parse the file and determine that certain parts of the page have PHP code that need to be executed. Apache has a PHP plugin built in that can execute the instructions contained within a PHP script. As an example, a common set of instructions include retrieving and inputting data into a database, although the script can be something as simple as a basic calculation. Regardless, Apache returns the script and renders the page as instructed by the PHP code. It then sends the file back through the web to your PC and ultimately to your web browser. Note that in this diagram, we illustrate the database as a MySQL database. This is a popular type of database that is commonly used with PHP. We'll explore MySQL databases and database queries in the next section of this course.